I'll leave it back.
All right, good. So we're going in the mountain, as I told you, everything from under that. Remember, the longer we stay in here,
Less time on the beach.
good. Don't matter what time we reach the beach, we're going to be leaving the beach at 12:15. Doesn't matter what time. 12:15 is when we're leaving the beach. All right? So let's rock and roll.
Yeah, that's clear.
Walk and roll.
This is one of our fruit trees here. So this is the first fruit trees here. This is called Mami. If you see the fruit right there, these are young. They get much bigger than this. They look and taste like mango. Make nice juice, blended drink. Just like the mango, you blend it. Yeah, that's the same. Have a big pit, a big seed on the inside. So this is Mami. When it's ripe, it don't look yellow like some fruits that show yellow as ripe. No, this stay brown, but the texture is soft. So you know when it's ripe. That's not a palm tree, you might call it palm, but that's a coconut tree right there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
None of there's a palm.
Oh, it's coconut.
Okay? But this is a coconut. If you always eating banana and you never see a banana tree, this is what banana tree look like. There's another tree that look like the banana. Who know what it is?
Yeah, that's it.
Plantain.
Right, plantain. And did you know that there are different types of banana?
Yeah.
Yes, there are different types. Right now you have two different types here. This one here, the first one right here is different from the one you're looking at right here, right close to us here, this one. Those are two different types of banana right there. And they are not just different in size, but in color, in taste, in names, they're different. That's an avocado tree. You maybe buy avocado in the stores to do guacamole and eat otherwise. You never know how it grows. That's an avocado tree right there.
Stuff out here. On the beach.
Everybody'd be very healthy.
Snake. Come on now. This bush is called maiden apple. This is a very nice bush. It's very bitter though. Very bitter. So if you're not fond of bitter stuff, you wouldn't want to, deal with it. But this, you boil it, and you can drink it room temperature, or you can drink it hot like hot tea. It's good to clean the blood. Yes, very good to clean the blood. Very bitter. If you're diabetic, you can also drink it. You just drink it for like 7 days. Twice a day you can do it. You can boil it, put it in the fridge, as you can drink it cold. You can drink it whatever temperature you choose. But the warmer it is, the faster and better it go through your bloodstream. The colder it is, take a while before the body gonna accept it. Because even cold water, that's why they tell you drink room temperature water. The body don't accept nothing too cold. It have to come back to room temperature before the body accept it and then distribute it. So this is very good. You can also crush it up in your shower, your bath water. Put it, crush it up in there and use it to bathe your